Hello everyone. When we think of weapons, we usually picture tanks, missiles, or aircraft. But in the 21st century, some of the most devastating weapons are invisible. They consist of nothing but lines of code. Today, we are diving deep into the world of cyber weapons. What are they? How do they differ from a simple computer virus? And most importantly, how have they already changed the course of history? Let's break it down. In cybersecurity, a cyber weapon is a piece of software or code designed specifically to cause physical, functional, or mental damage to a target. Now, you might ask, isn't that just malware? Not exactly. While common malware wants to steal your credit card or show you ads, a cyber weapon has 4 distinct traits. Extreme precision. They aren't sent to everyone. They are engineered for one specific target, like a specific power plant or a government server. Zero-day exploits. They use zero-day vulnerabilities, security holes that even the software creators don't know exist yet. This makes them almost impossible to stop. Physical impact. These tools move beyond the digital world to cause real-world destruction. Nation-state backing. Because they cost millions of dollars and years of research to develop, they're almost always created by governments, not individual hackers. To truly understand these, we have to look at them in action. Let's look at the 4 most famous examples. Discovered in 2010, Stuxnet is the gold standard. It was designed to target Iran's nuclear program. It didn't steal files. It took control of the centrifuges used to enrich uranium. It forced them to spin at dangerous speeds until they physically shattered, all while showing the operators' screens that everything was normal. It was a digital ghost that caused physical explosions. In 2017, the world saw NotPetya. It looked like ransomware, but it was actually a wiper. Its goal was to delete data permanently. It targeted Ukraine but spread globally, crippling shipping giants like Maersk and causing over $10 billion in damage worldwide. It showed that once a cyber weapon is released, it's hard to control the collateral damage. Imagine a whole city going dark in an instant. In 2016, Industroyer did exactly that in Kiev, Ukraine. It was the first malware specifically designed to communicate with electric substation switches. By flipping those digital switches, it plunged thousands of people into darkness. Finally, there is Triton. This targeted a Saudi Arabian petrochemical plant in 2017. What makes it terrifying is that it didn't target the machines. It targeted the safety instrumented systems, the emergency brakes of the plant. If it hadn't been caught, it could have caused a massive explosion or a toxic gas leak. We can generally put these weapons into a few buckets. Wipers, like NotPetya, designed for pure destruction of data. ICS attacks, like Stuxnet and Industroyer, which target industrial control systems. Logic bombs, code that sits dormant for months or years until a specific date or event triggers it to explode. Cyber weapons have changed the rules of war. We are no longer just protecting our laptops. We are protecting our power grids, our water supplies, and our safety. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the digital frontier. What do you think is the biggest threat in the cyber world today? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.